With that said, Nikki, I'll pass the ball to you.
Thank you, Juliana, and it was a great session. It's amazing that how we actually utilize these different IoT devices, cameras, and sensors in order for us to have a great experience for students and in the campus. Now, everyone, my name is Nikki Montour, and I am the collaboration specialist here from Cisco. We're going to explore how technological advancements are actually shaping education and what the future holds for smart learning environments. We really have seen the evolution of education in primary and secondary schools, moving from a fully in person model to a fully virtual one because of the pandemic. And now we are actually embracing a hybrid education or going back to the campus. The hybrid approach combines the strengths of both in person and virtual learning, fostering an adaptable and multifaceted educational experience that supports diverse learning styles and circumstances. So, as an organization transition to hybrid work models, it's also crucial to ensure consistent and seamless experiences, whether you're actually at home or actually in the office or hot desking kind of environment or traditional office setup like conference room, learning spaces, or even some sort of auditorium in the campus. Cisco's purpose-built solutions cater to all kind of workspaces or learning kind of spaces types ranging from these kind of environments. And these devices are actually designed to support connectivity, collaboration, and innovation across various settings. When we go back to the campus, we've seen this kind of traditional approach to the classroom setups involving discrete platforms. These setups can actually be problematic to students or even for professional teachers or faculties due to disconnected solutions that actually lead to poor experiences and complex integration challenges. And so how we are actually doing here at Cisco's approach is sorry, to aim at overcoming these barriers through comprehensive integration, improving manageability and the quality of experiences for educations and also students alike. And so the Cisco's innovative solutions enhance or cater educational and business environments, offering improved experiences across the board, different workspaces, or even for classroom setup. We want to provide a simple, intelligent, and kind of experiences where you can see a PTC 4K camera, access point, Meraki sensor, intelligent room booking tools. These solutions are actually streamlined for educational institution and facilitate dynamic, responsive learning kind of environment. Here we see some examples of powerful hybrid learning experiences showcasing different configurations that we enable for effective collaboration, regardless whether the setup is actually for large collaborative meeting or a seminar kind of style presentation. The Cisco's technology actually provide an optimized and educational professional environment to foster meaningful interactive kind of interaction between the remote and actually in-person kind of participants. In today's interconnected world, the importance of actually connecting people and students across various tools and platforms cannot be overstated. We've seen during the pandemic, each and every campuses, departments are actually acquiring different kind of meeting platforms. We name it. We have here the Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, or even Zoom, and even WebEx. It is reported that 85% of these different campuses are actually utilizing more than one meeting platform. So you can have two or more. And what we are actually offering in the market and ensuring that customers is what we offer as Cisco here is to actually design and bridge these different gaps, providing a seamless interaction amongst various setups, regardless if you're joining different platform. We have employed our facilities as testing grounds for innovation. So we have our offices here across Canada, enabling to refine our offerings based on a real world classic kind of environment. Now, I wanted to highlight this kind of video demo where we provide insight which accessible to our customers through comprehensive design guides. For instance, we have our Toronto office facility, which exemplifies flexibility in seminar spaces, and strategic integration of Cisco technology. We also have our Vancouver office with our video devices, which we can definitely invite you and showcase you the innovation that we have on this kind of solutions. Now, this slide actually demonstrates how Cisco technology ensures consistent learning kind of experiences, from an individual desk or home classrooms to large kind of auditorium. And regardless of the setting, we provide this kind of solution that deliver the same level of connectivity and engagement while supporting the diverse teaching and learning kind of methods. Another use case here where we actually focuses on enhancing the learning experience from home. If that is also an optional for students and also for faculties member, where we provide an advanced technological features where you can engage on a high quality 27 inch 4K touch screen display. I'm actually using it at the moment, and actually it's accompanying sophisticated with a 12 megapixel camera, and you can actually connect this to your existing laptop as well. You can join any meeting platforms of your choice, and this is something that you can actually use in a isolated office environment in the campus, or if you're actually working from home. Another use case here that I have is where students are actually wanted to have a collaboration kind of, meetings inside the campuses, where we enable this kind of distraction-free environment using the Board Pro. So this is an all-in-one solution with the camera, with speakers, with microphone, and it allows you to do a digital whiteboarding for smart learning kind of session, where the faculty member or a teacher would be able to do a demonstrate or like do a digital whiteboarding, where a remote participant and also a in-campus participant would be able to enjoy that kind of learning. It comes with a dual camera, AI virtual lenses, and a touch screens that allow you to actually present as well as a teacher or even as a student. On this slide, we present what we call the RoomKit EQX. Now, we've seen these kind of spaces in each and every campuses where you have a kind of learning session, or it could be some sort of like an auditorium or town hall for the students or teachers. This system is actually powered by a Cisco Room EQX, which offers a seamless and immersive meeting kind of experience. Its technology comprises of a quad camera with comprehensive room coverage, ensuring that there's no participant is actually left out of the visual field. So you can see there is an additional 4K PTZ camera on the side with additional screen for presenter tracking or audience tracking. Whoever speaks will be heard on that kind of engagement. It also includes like a navigator if you want to have a customized kind of macros or some sort of like a divisible room. And this is something that you can control within your spaces or environment. Cisco has been collaborating and have a partnership for this past few years with Microsoft, and we deliver this kind of versatile meeting experiences for our customer. Especially what I wanted to highlight is the capability of our platform to use different platform like Microsoft Teams, Google, and even Zoom or even WebEx. So it actually accommodates like a back-to-back meetings on platforms like this, and providing like an extensive flexibility without rebooting the device. And if you want to standardize like a Microsoft Teams room kind of experience, we offer this kind of native MTR support along with effortlessly integration with our WebEx meetings and events platform. And so this continued partnership is something that we do not only on the video devices offering, but across the stack of collaboration like telephony and even contact center as well. And so we offer a comprehensive portfolio of devices certified with Microsoft Teams that can be managed on your MTR or Microsoft Teams Admin Center, or through Cisco Unified Device Administration Portal, which we call the Cisco Control Hub. You can monitor, you can see different portfolio in here. That includes the accessories like Desk 4K camera or even headsets where you can actually manage it remotely. And this is something where teachers or students can actually use whether they're actually working or I mean learning from home, or even if they are actually in the campus itself. So one of the things that I wanted to share about the collaboration is how we can actually enhance the student experiences or even the faculty experiences, which has been always top of mind for the education sector here in Canada. So the need of the user-friendly workflows, enabling users to take control rather than being controlled by their tools, right? So we leverage a broad array of communication channels where we can actually meet users or students wherever they are or what they are actually using, and enhancing this kind of experiences. So just to set an example is this automated kind of proactive engagement, which is facilitated through what we call the virtual agents. So this approach ensures that communications are not only efficient but also personal to the students and also adaptable to the diverse needs of each and every faculty members and also students in the campus. So we have a very digital channels available in the WebEx Connect Center for human-assisted interactions, regardless if you want to interact with the students through chat, email, SMS, or even Facebook Messenger if you want to broadcast something. Or even on WhatsApp kind of communication, we have a broad array of kind of digital channel approach that you can communicate with the students or even the faculty members. Here is the example of the inbound call deflection feature. This is a strategy to enhance the customer service interaction, whether if there is like a student or a parent who's actually inquiring about something in the campus, and no one can actually take the call. So what it does basically is it automatically send a text link or like a chat link directly to the different student services, which allows you to be efficient in this kind of communication, especially if there are like important matters or like inquiry like tuition fee or about parent teachers organization or some sort kind of different use cases that these students or parents or even faculty member wanted to reach out to a specific department inside the campus. The advantages of using this smart conversational virtual agents to provide self-service solutions for students. According to Microsoft Global State of Customer Service, 77% of customers favor to have an intelligent self-service solution. So this is something that you can also implement this kind of different services to students if they want to have access to information very, very quickly without reaching out to a help desk which is not accessible for a specific time of day. If there are any like broadcasts or some inquiry regarding if they have classes today, or if it's confirmed because of winter there's no class and it's actually suspended because of some situation that is happening within the city. So this is something that you can also implement and have that kind of self-service approach to the students or parent teachers to better inform them and to have a better service, and to orchestrate this kind of solution is something that you can do in the WebEx Connect Flow Builder. This is actually a tool that is designed to facilitate and do a proactive and personalized kind of approach notifications, like a low code, no code drag and drop kind of interface that allows you to interface with the different business applications that you might have. This allows you to tap into like a CRM or even like kind of management tools that you can customize these different interactions to the students.